This story is about a man named Daniel. He is 37 years old. He works hard every day. He is tired every night, and he has a small glass bottle on his desk. Every night, Daniel opens his window. The city is loud outside, cars, voices, noise, but he looks at the moon, and he waits. He believes something a little strange, something a little beautiful. He believes he can collect moonlight. So he puts a glass bottle on his desk near the window, and he waits for the light to go in. 1 night, 2 nights, 3 nights. The bottle looks empty. Maybe I'm wrong, he says, quietly to himself. He feels a little sad. Then something strange happens. A voice, small, calm. It comes from his old pen, the one on his desk. The pen says, "You are looking with your eyes, but moonlight is not collected with eyes." Daniel looks at the pen. He blinks. Then how? The pen answers slowly, "With your heart. Think of one good thing from today, just one." Daniel thinks. Today was hard. His boss was difficult. The train was late. He forgot to eat lunch. But he thinks more, slowly. And then, yes, a woman on the bus. She dropped her bag. He helped her pick it up. She smiled at him. That's all. A small thing. 2 seconds. But he remembers it, and it feels warm. At that moment, the bottle shines just a little. A soft, quiet light. "Oh," says Daniel. The next day, Daniel tries something. He looks for good things, small ones, real ones. He says good morning to the man at the coffee shop. He listens, really listens, when a friend calls. He sends a message to his mother, just, "I'm okay, how are you?" That night, the bottle is brighter, not bright like the sun, not big like fireworks, quiet bright, soft bright. The pen says, "Moonlight comes from kind acts, from warm memories. You make it every day." Weeks pass. The bottle is full now. On dark nights, Daniel looks at it, and the room feels a little less dark. He is still tired sometimes. Work is still hard sometimes. Life is still difficult sometimes. But he collects light. Day by day, piece by piece, one good thing at a time. One evening, his neighbor knocks on his door. She looks tired. Her eyes are heavy. Daniel makes tea. He listens. He says nothing big, just, "I'm here." When she leaves, she looks a little lighter, and Daniel notices something. His bottle is even brighter now. That night, Daniel sits by the window. He looks at the moon. He looks at the bottle. He understands now. Moonlight is not outside. It was never outside. It is made inside us by the things we do, by the things we choose. Every kind word, every small act, every moment we stop and really see another person, that is the light. That has always been the light. Good things are not always big, but even small light can make a dark room bright, and sometimes it can light up someone else's room, too.
This story is about a man named Marcus. He is 42 years old. One day, his father gives him an old watch. "This watch is special," his father says, "but the watch does not move. Not the second hand, not the minute hand. Nothing. Is it broken? Marcus asks. His father smiles. No, you have to put time into it. Marcus does not understand. The next day, Marcus puts the watch on his desk. He sits down and finishes his work, all of it. Click. The second hand moves, just a little. Oh. That evening, Marcus calls his brother. They talk and laugh for a long time. Click. The watch moves again. For the next few days, Marcus watches the watch. On the days he only looks at his phone, on the days he does nothing, the watch does not move. But the day he reads a book, the day he helps a friend, the day he makes his father laugh, each time the watch moves a little. Marcus begins to understand. It is not just time passing, it is only the time I use well. Then one day something different happens. The watch moves fast. Click, click, click. It was the day Marcus found something he loves. He was drawing. For hours. He did not know the time. He did not care. Marcus holds the watch in his hand. He says quietly, "Time does not just flow. I make it." After that day, Marcus is more careful, more present, more awake, and the watch never stops. Time is not something that passes. It lives or sleeps, depending on how you use it.
This story is about a man named Owen. He is 39 years old. One morning, he opens his mouth. No sound comes out. What? He tries again. Nothing. Just air. He tries to talk to his wife. Only silence. He goes to work. Same thing. A colleague looks at him. "Owen, you haven't said a word all day." Owen tries to explain with his hands, with his face, but people do not understand. He feels frustrated. He feels alone. At lunch, Owen sits by himself. Then a quiet coworker comes over. This man never talks much. He says nothing now either. He just sits down next to Owen, quietly. Then he puts half of his sandwich on Owen's side of the table. Owen looks at him. Something feels different. Something feels easier. Even without words, something still reaches people. After that day, Owen begins to notice things. A colleague's tired eyes, his manager's heavy shoulders, his wife's small, quiet sigh at the end of the day. He had never noticed these things before. He was always too busy talking. That night, Owen comes home. He walks to his wife. He holds her, just holds her, for a long time. Then quietly, "I'm sorry." His voice comes back. His wife looks at him. "Owen, you can speak again." He nods slowly. "Yes, but now I think I understand something more important than speaking." After that day, Owen talks less and listens more, and the people around him feel it. Words come from the mouth, but the heart speaks through action, through eyes, through presence.